The purpose of learning is to be able to use knowledge for the betterment of self and your organization. So how can you use OTIUM in your life? Pondering that question, how can you use OTIUM in your life? I want you to first to think about your values. The best way to learn and the best way to set goals is when they are based upon values, our personal values. So take this list. There are several here, and be able to rank them. But what is most important at the top and what's least important at the bottom? After you have done that, then it's easier to choose learning goals that are associated with your values. Also, when you look at something such as the career value, no matter where it falls in your line, you can break it down into even smaller increments. What is it about your career? What do you need to know? What can you learn that will really help? OTIUM opportunity. Look for additional opportunities for learning. Talk to people who are around you. Register for a MOOC. Ask for professional development opportunities at work and brainstorm some ideas for learning. Be sure that you take all of this time to really think about the opportunities that you have all around you. Ask people what they do and how they find learning opportunities. As an assignment, be sure that you record these opportunities, choose one, and set a goal. Time. When is the best time to learn? And when do you learn best? Some people prefer to learn best in the mornings. Some are in the afternoons. Some are evening people or you're even late night. When is it that you're most effective and you learn? How can you create more time to learn? And where do you mostly waste your time? In your learning journal, record some answers to these questions and of course set a goal and a task to accomplish it. Importance. What value is learning to you? And is there a topic that has more value to you than another one? There are times when I have sat down and decided I wanted to study the universe and the galaxy, which is fascinating to me, but I am no Sheldon Cooper from the Big Bang Theory, and most of it went over my head. So it may not have had the greatest value for me as other topics may have had. How have you associated your learning with your values? And what importance does learning have for your career and your profession? Be sure that you record the importance of learning, and especially specific topics. Make sure that you set a goal for this and accomplish it. Urgency. How is learning urgent for you, personally or professionally? In some careers, if you don't learn consistently, what happens is you simply fall behind. You are no longer marketable. Make sure that you find a way to make learning more urgent. Is there a way that you can increase the urgency for learning in your organization and your family? Why or why not? Record the importance of urgency in your learning journal and make sure that you set a goal. Means. What means do you have for learning, and where can you learn needed information for your career? Be sure that you ask a colleague or a friend where they enjoy learning the most. When I did this, I was most surprised to find an associate who was very interested in learning from YouTube. In fact, they rarely paid for any kind of learning and simply found what they wanted in learning on YouTube. Also, in your learning journal, record the various means you wish to learn and choose one you haven't used before. Set a goal or a task to accomplish it.